On this episode of What It Looks Like, we have Jimmy Dean breakfast bowl. This is what it looks like. Now, I was super excited to see this when I was at the grocery store because it has egg whites in it. Now, for me, it's really difficult to find a frozen breakfast meal with egg whites. I've seen a couple, but most, it has the whole egg in it. And for some reason, I just can't eat the whole egg anymore. I don't know what happened, but once I went to eating egg whites, I don't want to eat the whole egg. Every time I see a yellow egg, it just looks weird. I think it tastes funny. I don't know. So I'm excited to see if this one is going to be good. It's turkey sausage, diced potatoes, scrambled egg whites, and cheddar cheese. So it sounds good, but let's see how it's going to be. So as always, we're going to show you what it smells like, what it tastes like, and most importantly, what it looks like. So we're going to go ahead and get started today with Jimmy Dean Delights Breakfast Bowl starting now.
Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. The food on the box look good, don't it? Should you buy it, should you wait, should you jump on it? You wanna know if it's good, does it taste right? Wanna try before you buy it, what it looks like. Hey, what it looks like. Hey, what it looks like. Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. What it looks like. Hey, what it looks like.
All right, first things first, let's open up the box. See how it looks on the inside. It's got this tab right here. Put that back. Comes in a bowl. All right, we got chunks of everything. Chunks of potatoes, eggs, sausage. Doesn't have a whole lot of cheese in there, so like you picture on the box, but that's okay. We're gonna see how it cooks. All right, let's cut a small slit in the center. It was loud. All right. All right, we're gonna microwave on high for 2 minutes. Okay, so now we want to peel back the film and stir it up. There's some more cheese at the bottom. Got a lot of sausage in here. I don't want to lose that cheese. Get that cheese in there. Cheese could be important later on. There we go. All right. Recover and cook an additional 1 minute. But before we see what it looks like, let's check out the nutritional facts. 1 serving per container. Serving size, 1 bowl. Calories, 270. Total fat, 12 grams. Saturated fat, 5 grams. Trans fat, 0 grams. Cholesterol, 40 milligrams. Sodium, 730 milligrams. Total carbohydrates, 22 grams. Dietary fiber, 3 grams. Total sugars, 1 gram. Protein, 19 grams. And now let's see what it looks like. What it looks like is not half bad. I mean, it's got a lot of sausage in here. The egg whites look fairly decent. I mean, they look more white on the box for sure than what you see here in real life. But the potatoes still have the skin on it. That looks really good. It does have some cheese in there. I mean, it's a pretty decent representation of the box. Like I say, the eggs don't look quite the same, but they still look like egg whites. I mean, it definitely still look like egg whites in person. Otherwise, I think it's okay. I think they did a really good job. If I'm being honest, I really like the way it looks. It looks edible. For some reason, though, I thought it had more, I don't know, cheese or some kind of sauce or something in it, but no, it doesn't have anything. So you're really just eating potatoes. I mean, each ingredient separately, which I guess is okay. Jimmy Dean, you did a fairly decent job. I must say so myself. smells like. Oh man, the very first thing you smell is the sausage. The potatoes smell, yeah, it's still, no, I'm trying to smell a potato, but I still smell sausage. And the sausage actually, it has a smell that initially it smells like sausage. And then it smells like something that is like something that's like almost spoiled or rotten or or not too pleasant. So it's kind of interesting. Initially, sausage like 100%. About half a second later, some other smell creeps into it. So that other smell kind of makes you not want to taste it. but we're gonna have to. Yeah, everything you smell, I mean, is just pure sausage. Yeah, I cannot smell anything else but the sausage. So, and that smells halfway good and halfway bad. Super weird, but that's what it smells like. What it tastes like. You know, after that smell test, I'm actually a little hesitant to taste it, but I gotta do it. I gotta do it. So here we go. And you can kind of, and that weird smell, oh man, you can taste it. That's not good at all. Oh man, I'm not feeling this. Oh, and it's coming from the sausage. It's coming directly from the sausage. Oh man, this may not be one for you to try right here. Let's try some without the sausage at all, because that first bite, that was disgusting. Okay, and I just have eggs and potatoes. Let's try that. Okay. Now that tastes pretty good. The egg white tastes just like an egg white, and the potatoes taste just like potatoes. They're a little mushy, but there's no weird aftertaste. There's no weird flavor. But man, when you bite into the sausage, oh my goodness! I don't know why I'm gonna do this to myself, but let's just confirm. We're gonna confirm that it is in fact the sausage that tastes that way. So that's all we're going to eat is a piece of sausage. And I'm not looking forward to it. But I gotta do it for the people. Here we go. That one tasted okay. Oh man, this is gonna be tough here. Maybe some of them bad and others are okay. All right, let's try another bite with everything mixed together: eggs, potatoes, and sausage. Let's see if I get that weird initial flavor or taste. Okay, that bite's pretty good too. That first one, oh my goodness, I cannot take the first one. I don't know what was up with that. Could that have been what I smelled the whole time? That first piece of sausage, because it had a strong odor. Man, now I feel like I can eat the whole thing. Let me try another bite. I mean, that's the only way I'm gonna know, right? I gotta keep trying it out. Yeah, that bite tastes good too. So I'm not sure, Jimmy Dean, about that first bite. It has left an impression on me that now I'm expecting it to have this weird, kind of gross taste to it. But every subsequent bite after the first one, it was okay. So I'm like really torn on this one, because I don't know if I could recommend it or not. I don't know if it's just this one particular box that I got that had this weird tasting sausage in it, or will all of them be that way? I mean, I have no idea. So I guess we gotta wait for the award show to see how it's gonna rate. But man, that first bite, you know, people always say, you know, you may forget the 100 good things that someone does, but that one bad thing they do, oh, you're gonna remember that the rest of your life. That's how I feel with this Jimmy Dean. I could take 100 bites that tasted great, but I'm gonna remember that first bite that was just like, it was just nasty. So I don't know, it's gonna be a tough one to score right here. But I want to thank you for watching. I thank you for spending time with me each and every week on this channel. I love bringing you these videos. I love comparing the foods. I love making different recipes. I just love it all. And I'm happy to be sharing it with you. And I thank you for following me, for subscribing to this channel. And please let all your friends know about it. That would really help a lot. I really appreciate it. And until next time, thank you for watching.
Welcome to the W.I.L.L Awards, where the contestants will be judged on smell, taste, and of course, what it looks like. Each contestant must score at least 20 points.
And let's go to the judges on the first category of smell. 3. Next up is taste. So 5. And now for that all-important category, what it looks like. How about an 8? Boo! Boo! Thank you for watching another one of our videos. We are committed to bringing you our honest opinion about the way it smells, tastes, and of course, what it looks like. So please like and subscribe today. Hit that notification bell so you do not miss another one of our videos. And if there is a food product you would like for us to try before you buy, please leave a comment below, and if we can find it, we will show you what it looks like.
No animals were harmed in the making of this video. However, they may or may not have been harmed in the making of the contestant, but we had nothing to do with that. We promise, honestly, you can trust us.